हेलो फ्रेंड्स, होप ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट इन द लाइफ। सब लोग अपना अपना ड्रीम्स चेस कर रहे हैं, सब लोग अपना अपना पर्पस पे लगे हैं, सब लोग अपना अपना गोल पे लगे हुए हैं एंड ऑल आर ट्राइंग टू मेक अ लिविंग टू लिव अ गुड लाइफ। एंड माई ओनली मंत्रा इज दैट ट्राई, हसल, स्ट्रगल टू मेक एटलीस्ट 1 CR पर ईयर। भले ही वो आपके स्किल से हो, आपके बिजनेस से हो, आपके लर्निंग से हो, आपके नेटवर्क से हो, आपके कोई भी तरीके से हो एक्सेप्ट द इलीगल वे। ट्राई टू मेक 1 CR पर ईयर। दैट इज माई गोल इन मेकिंग दिस वीडियो, दैट पीपल हु आर लिसनिंग टू दिस शुड कीप अ टारगेट फॉर देमसेल्फ दैट आई विल स्टार्ट मेकिंग 1 CR per year from 2024 or from 2025 or from 2026 or from 2027, and from today I will start this preparation, start this learning, start this activity, start this groundwork from today. That should be the long term goal. Now topic today is how to get rich by playing it safe in your job journey. See, whatever rasta you pakdo, you should reach to that goal of 1 CR per year. Whatever rasta you pakdo, any rasta is okay except the illegal way. Any rasta I'm telling you is okay. You should achieve 1 CR per year. First is get a 9 to 5 job. Nothing wrong in that. Your skill set, your knowledge, your experience, your learning, whatever you have to put, you put, and get a 9 to 5 job who is paying you good salary. Work in that job for 1 year, 2 year, accumulate wealth, accumulate money, accumulate a good amount, because खर्चा तो आपको मालूम पड़ जाता है कितना है। खर्चे के बाद पूरा सेव करो, FD करो, जमा करो, जो भी है, कैश पकड़ के चलो, जमा करो, जमा करो, जमा करो, 2 साल 3 साल जमा करो, जमा करो, जमा करो। Invest after 3 years 20% of your income in some place where you know that it is an asset and it will give you good returns. Otherwise, let it be in the FD, no problem. But don't put in assets where you have risk more. I know high risk is high reward, but then you have to take calculated risk. So put in such schemes or mutual funds, or I will say real estate, where good brand real estate, good brand project, good brand land real estate, जहां पर प्लॉट मिलता है, प्लॉट, वो प्लॉट को आप लेके रख लो। इन्वेस्ट 20% ऑफ योर इनकम आफ्टर 3-4 years what you have accumulated, or say 30% in such areas. Invest, reinvest. Whenever every year you get promotion, you get increment, you get raise, put money, that 20-30% in such schemes, where it is growing. Every year it is growing. You are not aware, but it is growing. But yes, keep it in good brand projects. Brand projects का एक ही फायदा है कि आपको रिटर्न देके जाएगा, और ब्रांड प्रोजेक्ट्स का एक ही फायदा है कि they always make in such areas where people demand is more, where people buying capacity is more, where resale capacity is more. So that is the reason I'm telling brand areas, brand project, brand team, brand brand location. ये सब कुछ बढ़िया होना चाहिए. That you have to analyze. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years working, you have accumulated some asset and you have accumulated some amount, and your salary is running. Salary is running. I'm sure in between these 10 years, if you can get a chance to change the job, you should always try to take the risk, but correct risk, so that you can get a salary hike, a promotion hike, position hike, and learning hike. All these 4 hikes can come to you. And you keep working for these 10-15 years. You will have a good amount in your hand, and you will have a good asset in your hand. Invest. Start investing after 10 years. 70% of your money which is in the bank, or as the FD you have kept, or your side money, whatever. Start investing more. First I told between 20 to 30. After that 10 years of accumulation, try to invest 50 to 60 and invest in good projects which will give you rents, which will give you I have seen a person, you will not believe, I have met a person who was working in a company and he was drawing a good salary. And the formula what I have told is the formula what he had followed is what 10 years he worked and he accumulated a good amount. He was working in an IT company and he was having a good salary. Today also he is working in the company only, but now he has created a big asset base money source of income. So in the outskirts of city, he purchased a land of say 10,000 square feet land he purchased. And the land came with a more outer space. So basically he got 12,000 square feet ka space. On that space, he made community hall. After 3, 4, 5 years when he got again some good money accumulated, he made that community hall where now people are paying him rent of 2 lakh rupees per festival occasion, birthday party, celebration और शादी या किसी का वो है क्या बोलते हैं बर्थडे है, किसी का ओकेजन है, किसी का सेलिब्रेशन है, 2 lakh rupees per booking he is getting and he has kept 2 caretakers. सैलरी समझ लो 10-12 हजार रुपया एक आदमी का, तो 2 लाख रुपया सीजन के टाइम तो उसका हॉल बुक रहता है, बहुत टाइट है, रोड का ऊपर लिया हुआ है, तो इसके लिए उसको और भी फायदा है बिकॉज सच थिंग्स आर प्रिफर्ड व्हेन इट इज कनेक्टेड विद द रोड्स एंड विद द अदर फैसिलिटीज एंड ही इज अर्निंग अ गुड मनी. सो नाउ he has invested such same scheme in other places also because he understood the formula that by these things he can get good returns out of that. And the formula is that after 10, 15, 20 years, now he is sitting on a corpus of at least I'm sure 3 to 4 CR, but is not telling. Point is that why he will tell? He will not tell now, na? So there is way to get rich during your job journey if you accumulate your wealth wisely, if you accumulate your money wisely, if you work on it wisely, if you think on it very wisely, and don't get distracted by shortcut schemes, don't get distracted by short term gains, don't get distracted by short term इसमें पैसा डाल दो, कोई आके एडवाइस करेगा कि इसमें 2 लाख रुपया डाल दो, आपको साल भर में ये 12% देके जाएगा, 20% देके जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. that money also will go. So try to think long term, try to think in such a way that at the end of the day you have the asset also, and at that end of the day that asset is giving you money also, and at the end of the day you are sitting on a big corpus also. So take your money topic very seriously, work on it very seriously, don't take it casually, because money is the lifeline. Please don't ignore it. It is a fact of life which many prefer not to talk, but it is a fact of life that money is the lifeline. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.